boom, crash, meow. Is this a noisy cartoon? Nope, it's the wonderful world of onomatopoeia. Say it with me now. Onomatopoeia. It sounds fancy, but it's just words that sound like sounds. That's right, words like buzz, pop, woof, and sizzle are more than just fun to say. They sound like what they mean. Imagine a comic book without kapow, a frying pan with no sizzle, a bee with no buzz. Tragic. Let's try a morning full of onomatopoeia. Your alarm goes beep beep. The milk on the cereal goes glug glug glug. You eat the cereal with a slurp slurp sound. You spill your cereal, oops, splash. Your dog barks, woof. Your cat hisses, hiss. Your brother sneezes, achoo. That's a lot of sounds, right? But guess what? You just spoke fluent onomatopoeia. Writers use these words to make their stories feel real. Poets use them to make their lines dance. Even chefs love them. Who wants food that doesn't sizzle, crunch, or snap? Let's test your skills. What's the sound of a bouncing basketball? Boing! What about a door slowly opening in a horror movie? Creak! A firework in the sky? Pop! Kaboom! The spaghetti slapped the ceiling with a splat, while the blender went whir, and the cat screamed meow. Onomatopoeia isn't just fun. It makes reading come alive. It's the sound of action, the flavor of noise, the jazz hands of language. So the next time you crack a knuckle, slurp some noodles, or hiccup during a serious moment, smile. You're using onomatopoeia like a pro. Now go write your own noisy sentence. Make it wild, make it sound awesome, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that button with a big old click. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one, which will be a very fun onomatopoeia song video coming in a few days. Until then, stay safe and goodbye.